Hello everybody, my name is Matthew Boyle and I'm with the Sylvia Group Insurance Agency. What I'd like to talk to you today is about collision insurance on your auto policy. You know, for the last 20 years, my clients have always asked me, Matt, when's a good time to take off collision? The premium's rather expensive and I want to try to save some money. So back in the day, it used to be 10 years old. When the vehicle would hit 10 years old, we could take collision off. We never gave it a second thought. We could also think about taking collision off once the loan's been paid out. So you no longer have a bank involved, you're going to be solely responsible for the physical damage coverage of your vehicle. You really need to determine the value of the vehicle before you come to any decisions, what you want to do. And how can we determine the value? Well, there's some great websites out there. The NADA has a wonderful website that can help you determine the value of the vehicle. Kelley Blue Book also has a great website to help you determine the value of the vehicle. The other thing that I recommend to my clients is why don't you go out to a local dealership's website, plug in the year, make, model, find your vehicle on their lot that has similar mileage. It's going to give you a great indication what that vehicle is going for. Okay. Once you have that value, it's going to be a great indicator of whether you can afford to remove collision or not. So right now I can tell you 2010 Mazda in the Dartmouth area, collision premium about $400 to $500, depending upon your carrier, depending upon your coverages and the discounts that you're receiving. Okay. And again, so depending upon the value of the vehicle, the conditions that it's in, if it's worth $3,000 and you have a $500 deductible that's costing you $400 a year, you might want to keep that coverage in place, right? That way you're just simply coming up with the $500 as opposed to, a new down payment on a car. So I hope that information is helpful in determining whether you want to take off collision or not on your auto policy. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at the Sylvia Group.